Hey guys, I'm Kavan, and today we're checking out Bay Photo's live portraits. Turn your photograph into a live video moment that'll be cherished for years to come. A live portrait is a photograph that has been linked to a video. When you use the free Live Portrait app to scan the photograph, the linked video will play on your smartphone. Hey guys, I'm Kavan, and this is PhotoForge. First, you'll need to create a video and a photograph. Next, upload the video and photograph in Bay Rows. Your video and photograph will be linked within 24 hours. Install the free Live Portrait app on your smartphone. Open the app and point it at your photograph to play the video. Hey guys, I'm Kavan, and this is PhotoForge. In addition to Bay Rows, we have a dashboard ordering solution available for large volume and bulk uploads. Well, that does it for this product highlight. To see more product highlights, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, which you can do right here. And to see more amazing products like this, head to bayphoto.com. The coolest part, if you sign up with Bay Photo Lab using me as your referral, you'll get 25% off your first order. To do this, just click the link in the description below. With that said, I'll see you guys next time.